Introducing the Innova SDS43, a powertrain emission diagnostic tool. Featuring a compact ergonomic one-hand design, a 4.3-inch color display, and a ruggedized exterior, the SDS43 provides an easy and efficient way to diagnose even the most complex vehicles. Works on 1996 to current, domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. With OBD2 diagnostic, SDS43 has functionality for reading and clearing OBD2 powertrain emission-related fault codes, viewing freeze frame and IM data, monitoring, graphing, recording and playback of live data, vehicle information, and performs emission readiness testing. The Innova SDS43 elevates your diagnosis to the professional level with advanced OEM diagnostics, ability to retrieve and clear manufacturer-specific fault codes, and to stream enhanced data, perform bidirectional controls, routines, relearns, and calibrations for vehicle onboard systems with confidence and ease. A pre-post style diagnostic, customer, and collision inspection report, which displays side-by-side, before and after values and status for a precise look at the repair. SDS43 workshop tools provide quick and easy access to 12 of the most popular routines, self-tests and calibrations used for service and repairs. The Innova SDS43, a compact scanner with powerful features. Visit us at Innova.com for more information about SDS and other diagnostic tools.
Find the problem, fix the problem.